Me and my dad are going to make a flute out of bamboo. We're gonna we're gonna mark where the holes are, then we're gonna cut it with the cutting thing, and then we're gonna drill holes with the drill. I'm going to mark the hole.
How big I make the holes? Are you done with that?
Should I?
Yes.
Okay.
Here, let me use my fingers because you have to cover the whole hole. Almost. Here, let me try it. Here, you get the videotape. Here you go.
Yeah.
I'll give it a shot. We'll see. I don't know. Yeah, you wrecked my video. It's almost working. Hey there, buddy.
Hi. Do you need any help?
Yeah, hold this and let me just say hello. Okay, that's close enough. Here, now take this and back up a little bit. And we'll see if it works. I worked on a little bit.
What'd you do to it?
Just I cleared it out. It had a lot of stuff inside of it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yeah! Hey!
That's going to be a jumpy video. That's definitely getting better.